As promised, we got a closer look here at these terminals where we collect our sensors. Here you can see we have the white ring on the top terminal and we have the black ring on the bottom terminal. All right, we know pH is going to be white, ORP is going to be black. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab first our pH sensor. All right, we're going to slide this cover off. We're going to figure out where that groove is. You see the groove right here on the actual terminal itself. We're going to line that up. You may have to wiggle it sometimes, make sure it goes in. All right, we have it lined up with the groove where it locks in, and we're going to twist it. All right, we're going to do a nice little half twist, and then we're going to slide this sensor cover on, and then we're going to grab the ORP one. Same exact thing. You see here, we're going to line it up, and we're going to latch it in, and then we're going to slide our ORP cover onto this sensor.